Today, Dimitri and myself ended up filming the #1 video for options trading. If you'd like to see that video, guys, Sniper University, the first link in the bio. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trades I ended up making today to make another 5-figure day, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into it. So, if you look at these arrows, these are the areas that I ended up shorting today. Okay, so let's go over first thing that we did in the morning. By the way, we do this live on live stream. Every single trade is called out and typed out in the Discord. As soon as we ended up coming up to our key level, 551.46, right? So in our pre-market analysis, this was the first level we were watching. If you look, SPY ended up bouncing in the 549s levels. It happened in the pre-market. We have yet to hit my level of 549, the level we were waiting for, right? So we were looking for shorts today, which ended up being very, very lucrative, okay? So we came up to our first key level, 551.46. I ended up getting and alerting puts, and I sold this move. I brought 551 puts deep in the money. We came back up as well in the pre-market live stream. We gave these levels out, okay? We come up to our next level, 552. I ended up hitting puts again, and I sold the move. Came back up, 552. I ended up getting it again and sold the move. Keep in mind, these plays don't look big. These were 20 to 30 cents on each of the contracts I was buying. So it adds up very quickly. And then we had our last key level of 553.07. As soon as we broke above it, guys, I ended up getting 553 same day puts and brought these disgustingly back in the money. But I didn't stop there. As soon as we came up, we broke through. This was the level that I told you guys about that you have to pay very, very close attention to, looking for a rejection, okay? I didn't FOMO this move and buy puts. I waited. I was patiently waiting, right? I told the entire Discord, I'm waiting for 549 to reject. We came back up, right? Took a little bit. Came back up, retested 549, bought 549 puts, brought them deep in the money. Then, another trade I ended up getting into is 549 puts again. I ended up buying this double top area, right? As soon as we came back up in the money, 549 puts, I ended up getting September 10th, right? And I held them down. I wasn't worried. I knew we were going to eventually retest this level, if not 548. As soon as we came up to the previous closing price, guys, I ended up doubling down, okay? I sold the hell out of this move. I didn't sell this first move. I waited for the lower high. I ended up adding again and then sold the move. Today was one of the biggest lucrative days for myself in 2024, and this is the type of price action I love. And this just goes to show, okay? So I made 5 figures today. I made 5 figures yesterday. I lost 5 figures this day, right? I want you to keep this in mind. It doesn't matter who you follow. It doesn't matter who's your teacher. People have losing days. And sometimes market makers do massive fake outs. Sometimes you could have the best level at the best price. It's your trading plan. You hit it with size and you could still lose. This is why we preach to always have an entry and an exit both ways. You can't just have, I'm going to buy calls here and sell here. Well, if you buy calls here, you need to know where you're stopping out at. Like, where's your stop loss? Is it a mental? Is it a dollar amount? Is it a percentage amount? You need to know this. Every single trade that you enter, you need to have an entry, an exit at all times. Do not enter a trade if you do not have an exit plan to take profits or to stop out. So many people are just following random trades, right? They're following people. They're just hopping in trades to keep adding to losers. I'm guilty of it, guys. I'm guilty of adding to losers when it goes against me, right? I'm lucky enough to have the capital to bail myself out of situations. But as new traders, you guys got to be very careful. You got to treat your money like your nest egg, like it's your baby. Like, I never want to put money back into my brokerage. So many people are trying to get rich quick. They see the gains Dimitri and myself are posting. Options Doctor, Jim C. They're seeing the gains from these funded accounts. Here, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. It's the wrong way to think. When it comes to being a day trader, it takes patience. You need to have patience. You need an entry and you need an exit both ways. I'm just showing you guys, like, no matter how good that I think I am at trading, I can lose 5 figures. But I didn't lose enough money to keep me up at night, and I did not lose enough money for me to get back in the next 2 trading days like I preach. I killed it today. Dimitri killed it today. Options Doctor killed it today. Jim C killed it today. This is the #1 Discord for options trading in the world, and I back it up because I give 100% money back guarantee. Some days are not the best days. You shouldn't be looking for teachers to spoon feed you and just give you banger after banger after banger. You need to be learning. Why? Sniper, Steven, why are you entering here? Dimitri, I don't understand why you're here. Can you explain yourself? Jim C, you're in puts, but why? You're in calls, but why? People are not asking the right questions. If you have mentors in your life, you need to be asking the correct questions. Don't wait for spoon feeding. Ask the questions to learn. You need to pick other people's brains. Not a lot of people in this industry are even asking me questions. We get hundreds of signups a month. My DMs are they're never packed. People are not asking questions. This is why we're here. We're here for you guys. You guys got to use us. You got to utilize the powerhouse that we have at all times. So I just wanted to speak on that quick, guys, because I had a disgusting red day and then I had 2 amazing green days. So don't give up on yourself. Never lose more than you can get back, and don't give up. Take your loss. Know your risk to reward on each trade. So moving forward to tomorrow, the reason why I didn't swing puts, our key level, 549. We ended up closing above this level. So I did not end up swinging puts. And I told you guys, if we close beneath and we're seeing bearish movement like we did, this is the reason why I got puts here, but I sold the move, right? If we were seeing a roof being developed at our key level, we know SPYs are going to drop all the way down to 543.75, right? So tomorrow's trading plan, this gap is officially filled. I actually have a course on Sniper University about the previous closing price, a gap close reversal strategy. It's one of my favorite strategies that makes me 6 figures every single year, no matter what, strictly just playing that strategy. It worked to a T today, right? We gapped beneath of it, came back up, retested as support, went. Broke through previous closing price, retested it, sold off, right? So that's a great level. So this gap is filled. We're going to change the color so no one here gets confused. And now, SPY's previous closing price, 549.61. Right here. If you've been watching and keeping up to date with my videos, SPY has a massive, massive level of 549, right? And now we're in a little pocket here. This is the trade I want you guys to hit. This is the 6-figure trade for myself. The break, the retest, the short. But the short stopped. I sold at the first support because I didn't trust it. Because everyone knows it's a 5-point drop. And I personally did not believe SPY was going to do that. Just how I thought by just this morning's 30-minute confirmations that SPY was topping out in the mid 553s. Tomorrow's trading plan, as of right now, I'm more bullish than bearish. We could end up gapping down tomorrow. We got massive news tomorrow, okay? So don't use that as an example. If we open above 549, I'm bullish until I see the break and the retest, and then I'm hopping in the puts. But so far, SPY held above our key level. So SPY is bullish above 549. 550, I'm not even using 550 anymore. It's such a narrow range, I'm not even using it. I'm using 549 and 551. Those are the levels, right? Where am I buying calls? I want to bring 548 calls in the money. If we end up opening above here, I want calls at PCP. If you start seeing SPY build a floor of support and you use confirmation of the 30-minute time frame, if you see a bullish 30-minute confirmation support a previous closing price, you're going to want to hit calls. So where are we going to hit calls to? Easy, right? First level that we're going to hit is 551, right? Because we rejected here. Next level is going to be 552. Next level, 554. That's all I'm trading for calls. To the downside, once we end up rejecting 549, it's a bloodbath to 543. If we end up gapping extremely down, I'm going to be paying very close attention to 547. If we reject 547, I'm hitting puts for $4 down. That's it. That is my trading plan, guys. I'm keeping it very simple, but I know my entry, I know my exit at all times. And today's live trading is live on my channel. If you go under live, I killed it today. And you can watch in real time what the Daily Sniper does. We do this in real time. We're not typing YOLO trades. We're not losing track of random trades. We're live on live stream and typing out each trade as we go. The Daily Sniper, #1 options Discord in the world, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. 30% discount happening right now with the Daily Sniper. The best thing that you could do for your life is get Sniper University. I promise you, the amount of content that we have on it is life-changing. There's no discount on that, guys. The price is only going up from there. If you would like to be a part of it, guys, the link below. We have Sniper University, and we also have monthly plans. 30% off. Use code BOBA at checkout, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Let's make some money, baby. Fridays are known to be my best trading days. Let's get it.